Meet the latest friend from FurReal, Peanut the playful monkey. Flip the switch on her foot to begin play. Hold her hands and watch her flip. She's flipping awesome!
This interactive plush toy is so realistic, with super soft brown fur and over 100 different reactions.
Take care of Peanut and play with her. She's up for a swinging good time. Nurture her and love her. Feed her the banana bottle and listen to her adorable drinking sounds.
Peanut walks on her own, all while kids hold her hand.
And remember, Peanut isn't just for Christmas.